YouTube, I am back with another video, and today we'll be doing a POV drive in my 1,000 horsepower Dodge Demon. As you can see, this thing comes 840 horsepower from factory, and now it is scooted and booted. It is woken up like it should be. With that being said, let's get into it. Come on now. Come on, man. Dude, I just spun that whole entire turn. Goodness gracious, bro. What's kind of crazy about this Demon is because it's tuned to 1,000 horsepower, there is a, you don't really hear the whine as much as you do the exhaust. The exhaust is way louder than the whine. From factory, the Demon whines a lot louder than the exhaust. So that's really the big difference in modifying this car. Is you kind of lose the whine, which sucks, but oh well. Oh, my bad. I got scared them. I didn't mean to do that. Come on, Kia. So, man. Good, how are you doing?
Good. Can I get a name for order?
Bryce.
Bryce. All right, how much serve you tonight?
Can I do a number one?
Number one?
With a large water?
Large water. All right, anything else for you?
And another number one, but just a sandwich.
Sandwich. All right, any sauce for you?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Chick-fil-A sauce. All right, so the number one meal with medium fry, large water, another sandwich, Chick-fil-A sauce.
That's it.
All right, it'll be $13.34.
This thing is pissed loud all the time. Yes. Thank you. You too. Shoot. This thing's so loud. Oh, dang. What's going on there? They're making out the parking lot. That was crazy. They're freaking making out the parking lot. All right. I need some feedback from y'all. What do y'all want to see for future videos? Do y'all want to see like IRL stuff? Do y'all want to see like, what is there a certain car y'all want? Anything. Tell me what y'all want to see. Sun's starting to go down. It's getting dark, and I don't have the ambient lighting in here, so we might be cooked for the rest of this video. But oh my gosh, this thing is so fast. Holy shit. Wow. I just realized that I did not have my lights on in here, so that's awesome. I just did that whole video with the most basic dash you possibly could have in a Demon. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed that POV. That's the first time I've done a POV in the Demon. Oh man. Maybe we should do a POV in this monster next. Seriously, give me feedback. What cars y'all like seeing on the channel? Do y'all like POVs? Y'all like IRL stuff, like in real life? I've always wanted to go live. I've not been live yet, so if y'all would like for me to go live every now and then and talk to some of y'all, that'd be cool. I need feedback though. Let me drop in the comments what y'all want to see. I appreciate all of y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the